All right, hi, I'm Bob with Quilters Headquarters, and I got some exciting things to show you today. And I want to show you one of these Juki machines that we got in. They're an excellent portable machine. You're going to love this. It's very inexpensive, and it's just a great little portable machine. It weighs 12 pounds, 3 ounces. Unbelievable. Comes with a hard case, and here you can take a look at the machine right here. And then this is the LB5020 of the HZL series. And the 20 means 20 stitches. So you got the 10 extra stitches here, and then these 10 stitches here, which makes 20. And so this is a great machine. And then here are some features that you normally do not see in this kind of a price range. It has a speed controller that it has the needle up, down, and it has tie the knot. And so, and this is your reverse button, and then this is your go button. And so we're gonna sew on this for the first time. We just took this out of the box, and we're gonna do a little bit of sewing here. Now look how nice and straight that goes. Isn't that awesome? I mean, it's so quiet. I mean, it does not have a cheap sound to it. It's definitely not a department store sewing machine after you've had it for 6 months and you bring it in for me to repair it. And then let's see, we can get a look at this stitch here, and you can see my stitch, great stitch. And then what I wanted to do too is I just wanted to see, well, what does it do on denim? So let's give that a shot. So I'm going to put that. And then another thing that's nice about the Juki feed dog system, they're a box feed dog, so I don't have to put it underneath the foot. I can just go like this, give it a little push, and there it goes. And it picks it up. Instead of having to put it right underneath the foot. And we'll do that. Give that a cut. Yeah, it went through that fine. And then we'll get this here like this. Look at that, 3 layers of denim. And then we're gonna go to how many layers we got now? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of denim. And then, now this is not using a denim needle. This is a universal needle. So it's nice to use a denim needle. And then it has the cutter right here. This is just a beautiful machine. You can hear it. But now here's the trick. I'm gonna go from thin to thick. A lot of machines can't do that. I don't know if this can do it or not. It's brand new. We've never done it before. Look at that without a hesitation. Went through that many layers, double layer to that thickness there. Unbelievable. And then, like I said, it has the your tie the knot button right here. And look at that. Ties the knot. I have needle up, down. I can push that. It has a digital screen, lets you know what's going on. My needle always stays down. I have speed control. I can adjust my stitches, my widths, my lengths. And it's a perfect little portable machine. This is an excellent machine for a beginner. This is also an excellent machine for an expert or a pro that likes to go to classes, go to retreats, because it comes with this hard case. You just pick it up and go. And it comes with a nice buttonhole foot. And here's your container, your buttonhole foot. It does a real beautiful buttonhole. The Jukis do. And here's some of all of and it'll do a twin needle. You can do a twin needle with it. And you can use that as a stitch in the ditch, really. And then that looks like a hammer, zipper, the tools, needles. I mean, what else do you want? All you got to pick up is a 1/4 inch piecing foot if you're going to do a lot of piecing, and those are available. And oh, and then guess what? The price is unbelievable. It sells for, the retail is $4.99, but here at Quilters Headquarters, it's $2.99. And you get free training, and you get expert advice. You cannot beat this machine. Thanks for looking. Don't forget to share and all the other stuff you need to do. Thanks.